The referee waiting for the field to be cleared. And Marzouk on the line. There goes the whistle. Sunil Chetri. Placing the ball to the left of the goalkeeper. Putting India one up. See the replay again. It's got to be Abdullah with the right footer. And it goes the ball. Onto the crossbar. The crowd delirious with joy. There you see it. Mohammad Abdullah crashing his penalty onto the Indian crossbar. Looks as though it's going to be Al-Taibi. Yes, the number 18, Preet. Al-Taibi for Kuwait. Here he is. And puts it into the net. There is Marzouk on the line. There goes the whistle. Chante. The number 8. Gurpreet on the line. Al-Ferry. And he scores. Marzouk on the line. There goes the whistle. And Udanta puts it over. Udanta puts it over the bar. Udanta puts it over the bar. And if Kuwait score now, it's going to be 3-all. It's Mehran, the number 5. Mehran, and he scores. After 4 kicks, it is 3-3. It's going to be Subhashish Bose to take the 5th one for India. One miss by both. Mohammad Salman banking the ball onto the Indian crossbar. Here it comes. And he scores. For 3. It's going to be Al-Khaldi, I think. Al-Khaldi. Gurpreet on the line. Al-Khaldi. And he scores. Four. With a left footer for India. There goes the whistle. Here he scores. Taking a long start to take that award. There goes the whistle. And he saved him. Puts the ball to the left. Gurpreet Singh Sandhu. Brings off an incredible save. The crowd going mad over here. Delirious change of joy here as India win the Surf Bangabandhu Championship 2023. Defeating Kuwait by 5 goals to 4 in the shootout, sudden death penalty shootout. There it is. That shot and that save by Gurpreet Singh Sandhu. He denied the Lebanon captain Hassan Matoub, and now he denied the Kuwait captain Hajia. India winning the South Bangabandhu Championship 2023.